কি অপরূপ রূপে মা তোমায় হেরেনু পল্লী জননী কি অপরূপ রূপে মা তোমায় হেরেনু পল্লী জননী ফুলে ও ফসলে কাদা মাটি জলে ঝলমল করে লাবণী হেরেনু পল্লী জননী।
Endowed by the gems of nature, serene, subtle, subliminal, this is Bangladesh, the lush green delta with the setting like an orchid, glittered all around by the nature's soothing splashes of beauty. The vast rural outback and one of the world's industrious people, one of the two key attributes of its economy as the major driving force. In other words, the farm and the farmers constitute the artery of the economy's lifeblood. The much-awaited banking care and support from which they have been deprived all along has been made accessible by the country's central bank, the Bangladesh Bank. The present government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, has given emphasis on small and medium enterprises since its inception, considering SMEs as the priority sectors, which is outlined in the Industrial Policy 2010. The government recognized SMEs as the vehicle for enhancing the standard of life, economic growth, poverty alleviation of the common people. Cottage, micro, small and medium enterprises will be proactively championed as the pillar of decentralization, employment generation, women entrepreneurship development and poverty alleviation. Bangladesh Bank, the Central Bank of Bangladesh, has also given priority on SMEs under the leadership of Present Governor Dr. Atiur Rahman.
We from the Bangladesh Bank and the Government of Bangladesh, we too are in the process. And we thought, if we have a socially responsible investment and followed by socially responsible financing, we can face the financial crisis much better than any other countries.
Remarkable steps in this connection is opening of a new department named SME and Special Programs Department. And this department started functioning from January 2010. Just after opening of SME and Special Programs Department, the Governor declares SME policies and programs to all the managing directors and CEOs of banks and non-bank financial institutions. Bangladesh Bank has issued instruction to all scheduled banks for disbursing SME loan among the entrepreneurs on the basis of cluster approach. As a result, many cluster has been developed including light engineering, cane and bamboo cluster, Manipuri handloom, Jamalpur Shuchi cluster, etc. To reach the goal of the present government, the dream of digital Bangladesh and the promise of Charter of Change, we have to make policies for sustainable SME development to eradicate poverty, to ensure women empowerment and employment generation.